Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this wood piece from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to drill 2 holes at the top for a hanger. Once I have those all drilled, I am going to paint this with a coat of white paint. You can use chalk paint or acrylic paint, it doesn't really matter. Once I have that paint fully dry, I am going to cover it with a coat of Mod Podge. And then I'm going to take this printable from my shop, and it is just butterflies and sunflowers, and I'm going to cut that out. Once I have that all cut out, I'm going to lay that on my board and smooth it out with my hands, making sure that it's fully stuck and that there's no bubbles in it. And I just printed this on regular printer paper, nothing fancy. Once I have that all on there, I'm going to sand off the excess around the edges. And just go all the way around till I have all that excess paper off. Once I have that all sanded off, I'm going to take my antique wax and just go around the edges and antique wax all the edges and kind of a little on to the printable, just around the sides. Once I have that all on there, I also did the back with the antique wax as well. And now I'm just going to pull some rusty wire through, and I'm going to twist up the front of it, press it down, and then I'm going to repeat it on the other side. But first I'm going to take a paintbrush, and I'm going to wrap this wire around it to kind of give it a curled look. So I'm just going to wrap this wire all the way around it. And then pull it through the other side. And then I'm going to do the same thing with curling that wire to the front. So I'm going to cut off some of the excess and then just spin it with my pliers all the way down till I hit the sign and then press it down. Once I have the wire all where I want it, I am going to take a piece of twine and just tie it around the wire hanger into a simple bow. So just pulling it right up against that hanger and then just making a regular bow and then cutting off those excess pieces. Make sure I have it nice and tight and then just cut off the excess. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this printable is so super cute. I love the way this turned out. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you for watching. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.